Hi, welcome to another plotaroute.com tutorial. In this video I'm going to demonstrate some of the main tools you can use to make changes to your routes. There are three tools that I'm going to show you: the Reshape route tool, the Replot section tool, and the Shorten route tool. I've got a route here that I've previously mapped. It's a circular road route around 7.3 kilometers in length. Let's say I want to make the route longer by making a much wider circuit. An easy way to do this is to use the Reshape route tool from the toolbar. I want to go around here. So, the first thing I need to do is create anchor points to mark the start and end of the section I want to change. I do this by clicking on the route. Anchor points are fixed points on the route that won't be moved unless I drag them. Then I need to add an anchor point somewhere along the section I want to change. Next, I'll set the autoplot switch to by road, as I want to automatically reroute by road. Then it's just a case of dragging the midway anchor point to halfway along the new section of the route. If I need to make further changes, I can just add more anchor points and drag them around. To remove an anchor point, just click on it. And if you want to drag the line without it automatically snapping to the roads, just turn the autoplot switch off first. Click Finish when you're done. Any anchor points you added will be saved, so you won't need to add them again each time, although you can remove them if you wish before clicking Finish. Another alternative for editing a route is the Replot section tool. To use this, we first click on the start and end of the section we want to replot. It's best to select positions just before and after intersections to ensure that the correct directions are generated. This section of the route will now be marked for deletion, and you can plot the replacement section in the normal way. When you've reached the red marker, click Confirm to complete the changes. One other tool that you may find useful when editing routes is the Shorten route tool. This tool enables you to crop a route by dragging the start or finish points back along the route. Once you've done this, click Done and you can carry on plotting the route. There are lots more useful editing features in the toolbar, but that's it for this tutorial. Have fun trying things out. Don't worry about making mistakes, as you can easily undo recent changes by clicking the Undo button. And lastly, don't forget to check out our how-to guides for more help and advice.